today we've got a bit of a target. And because I'm videoing it, you watch, it won't be a nugget. It's all been fairly shallow through here. So I think I've got it out. I'm not used to working open mic. I'm actually gonna have to turn on my headphones. I think, because I really don't like open mic. Alright, I found it in the ground. The flies are bad today, that's why I've got my fly veil on. No. 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 Yes. 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 In my hand. It's in my hand. Alright, let's see if I can see it. Oh, I can see it. And it is a tiny little piece of gold. Hang on, I'll show you. Sorry everyone, I'm not good at this. So that's a little bit of gold. 0.1 maybe. It's pretty small.